Welcome to Studio 254. Beautiful and bright in here. Modern galley kitchen with stainless steel appliances and tile backsplash and quartz countertops. And if you're a wine drinker, built-in wine rack. As you see, Platform 14 has their own wine. Free bottle when you lease. Also up front by the entry that we just walked in through is a coat closet. And then world famous front loading washer and dryer. And here's your bath. Plenty of drawers for organization. Lots of counter space there. And shower tub. Let's go over to the open living space. You see ceiling fan in there. Our hardwood in here. You see our 8,000 square foot sky deck. Which has free gardening bins out there, a couple of barbecues, a couple of fire pits, lots of picnic tables, fun space out there. And unlike most studios, it actually has a bedroom space, which can fit up to a king-size bed. And another ceiling fan for you. It's gone. Closet space. Let's see, quite a bit of bedroom space here. So it's more like a junior one bedroom at 548 square feet. It's a very popular floor plan we have here. Take one last look. This is also south facing, so it's going to get great natural light on a sunny day. Go ahead and give us a call and find out how this can be yours.